Hey guys, welcome to a video of me, William, and honestly I wasn't expecting to make this a video, but as you can see here I have loads of speakers, some boards, and some stuff like that. Here you can see the glue on the back of these speakers, on this one. Pretty much what I'm doing is, yeah, as you can see here, it looks ugly with that, so yeah, you can just see it's ugly. But anyway, so I made this speaker, and it works great. You'll hear it in a minute. So this is it when I put the thing on the top. I forget what it's called, but it looks much better. But anyway, here's how it sounds. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is what happens due to COVID-19. If it gets me stuck inside, this is what's gonna end up happening. So yeah, next time I'm probably gonna create my own server with hard drives, as I have loads of hard drives, and also soon should be my MacBook Pro 2013 unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out another video. Bye!